guys, in today's video, I am going to play Bee Swarm Simulator. Okay, but first let's claim a hive. Now I am going to get some honey. Wow, there's a lot of honey here. Okay, come on, let's get all of them. Don't miss out on this event. Oh, it's full. Okay. My container is full. I'm going to go back and make some honey. I'm making honey. Look how fast my bees are taking the honey. Okay, now I'm going to collect some more honey to my eggs. So I have more bees. Got that too. I'm going to find a ladybug. Okay. Yeah. There we go. We got some honey and a starter. Going to put some here. Oh my god, there's a lot of updates here. Now I'm going to go to... Is it the beetle? Yeah, I think I'm going to go to the beetle. Okay, kill the beetle. Okay, now I'm going to put my honey into the hive. Make some honey. Okay, going back. Okay, make some honey. I barely have any bees. I only have these. Okay. Let's see how much for a bee egg. That's a lot of honey. I cannot afford it. I'm going to maybe fight this one. Yeah, maybe fight the spider. I wanna fight the spider. Okay, kill the spider and get all my bees here. Okay, getting more honey. Okay, now I'm gonna go back. Going back and collecting some more pollen to make honey. Oh, got on. No list anything. Okay, now that I am full, I'm going to go and make some honey. Okay, quick make the honey. Make more honey. Okay. Okay, stop. Okay. Now I'm going to go up here and maybe gonna fight more bugs. Okay, ladybug. Okay, minor beetle though. Yay! Okay, getting. Okay, getting some pollen. I'm going to try to go. It's just the show. Yeah, this is the showing shot. Okay. Oh, oh my god, there's a mantis here. Is that a... Oh yeah, that's the beetle. Nope, don't kill me. Nope, don't kill me. Okay, come on, kill that mantis, guys. Come on! God, that's getting... Oh yeah, we killed that mantis. Okay, come on, let's go back now and make some honey. Yeah, let's go back. Oh, there's the rhino beetles here. Let's just kill them while we're going. Okay. Oh, there's a royal jelly here. Oh my god. Okay. Now let's go back. and just make some honey. Okay, going back. Oh, this person has a lot of stickers. Oh, that's not mine. Oopsies. Okay. Okay. Make honey. Okay. Now let's get some more honey. Okay. I'm just taking this. Don't mind me. I'm going to go up and see what I can buy in that shop. Open shop. Shop item. Okay. How much? Oh my god, that's all. There's a lot of those. Okay. I'm going to see this thing. Paper planter. I'm going to craft it. Now I'm going to leave the shop. See what I got here. I'm going to see my items. A paper plant. Oh, okay. Okay, that's pretty good. Okay, let's just see. This is okay. What is this? Oh, can I explore for a while? Okay. Oh, let's see. Okay. Okay. White pollen. Okay. 10,000 from strawberry, bamboo, and okay. I'm going to go find some other strawberry one. Okay. 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 White flowers. I'm going to just get some more flowers. White flowers. Okay. Let's get a lot of them. And then let's just get some from the. Is this a strawberry one? Okay. I think it is. Okay. Got these. Okay. Okay, got a lot of them. Oh, wait. I didn't notice it was full. Okay, come on. Let's go back. Make honey. Okay, come on, bees. Okay. Come on, make the honey. Oh, wait. Okay, come on. Stop making honey. Oh, why does it keep falling off? Okay. You guys done making honey? Okay, done. Now let's get some more. Okay. Okay, now from the strawberry field. I hope this is strawberry because it's red. Not very sure though. Okay, getting some more pollen. What was the cost again? Let me see. Okay, go up. Leaf flame shop. Going back here. And wait, yeah, it's here. But oh my god, it keeps going the wrong way. Okay. What is it again? Let me it. Okay. 20,000. Why? Okay. Oh, bamboo. Bamboo here. Which one is bamboo one? Okay, I'm going. I think the spider one's a bamboo one. I think that's a pineapple one. Oh, that one. That one's the bamboo one. The two beetles one. Okay, because I need honey. Okay, some upgrades. Kind of miss out on upgrades. Okay. Okay, it's already full. Okay, so that first. Okay, nothing left, and now let's make honey. Going back. Okay, make honey. Honey, come on, make the honey. Okay, now I'm going to just collect some more. Oh, that's actually the strawberry one. Okay, this one is a mushroom. Oh well, I'm wrong. These are what babies, right? What is this? Okay, come on, let's just get this. Oh my god. Okay. Okay. Oh, okay, there's this one. Okay. Now good. Wow, that's okay. I've got I can just put a little on this. Now where to get some from the bamboo one. Okay, now where to go back. Okay, gonna get some here too. A little bit more because it's not full yet. Okay, there we go. Now it's full. Now I'm going to make honey. Making honey. This one's cool. It's like blue. Okay. Okay. Now. Okay. A little bit more. I'm going to go up to get some more from the bamboo one and the strawberry one. And I'm gonna get some white flowers. Now from the strawberry, I'm gonna get some like this. And go there to get some. So there. Okay. Going to get some more on the white flower one. I see greens. Okay. Now I'm done. The pollen container is full. Oh my god, that lady got scared me. I'm going to make honey. Oh yeah, the pollen container is full. Going back to make honey. Done. That's it guys for today's video. Bye!